Hey everyone, today I'll be sharing my soccer box for a boy 2 to 4. I have already put on the label and duct taped the sides. I've been adding stickers to some of my boxes on the outside. I got this idea from my friend Denise over at D. Rogers. She's been adding cute stickers that coordinate with her themed boxes. I love this idea because I keep the boxes I'm working on at the top of my closet, and when I need to add an item, it makes it easier to grab the box. So thanks, Denise, for this cute idea. Another idea for this box is from Val over at V. Swain's Shoebox Sundays. This is such a cute way to present your letter to the child, especially when you don't already have anything to put on your lid. I love this idea too, so thank you, Val. I am giving him a glow-in-the-dark soccer shirt that is moisture wicking. I love the detailing on the sleeves, and that is a size 5. He has a cute orange car I picked up from Dollar Tree. His whistle fit perfectly in the car. These little guys are so adorable. Thanks to Nikki Chakotay here on YouTube for sending these to me. I could not split them up. They have to go on their journey together. I would say these are my favorite pair of stuffies I have sent in a shoebox. So thanks again, Nikki. His soccer ball, it's a size 1. It's small, but great for a toddler. Also great for these Canadian shoeboxes. And then his soccer pump, tank top. He could wear this just around the house or even under his shirt. A pair of underwear, size 5-6. And then a pop-out brush with a mirror. And his soap. I get a lot of these soaps free at hotels. And then I've given him a cute hippo pencil sharpener. Sometimes it's just fun to spice up the school supplies a little bit. And then I gave him a regular size toy car. Another sharpener, and inside I gave him an eraser with a grippy. Typically my toddler boxes have a lot of different primary colors, but this one I just kept it orange and blue. A notebook, and inside I gave him some stickers to find. And in the wire, a jumbo pre-sharpened pencil. I ran out of toothbrush caps, so I just put his toothbrush in a bag. And then Crayola crayons and a Crayola pencil pouch to match his crayons. Inside there is an orange Scotch brand pair of scissors. And then pre-sharpened pencils. I find that these pencils, they don't come out of the envelope. They stay pretty well snug inside of that envelope. And then this fits great in one of these boxes, an IKEA backpack that I bought at least 2, maybe 3 years ago. I just put the rest of his soccer needles and items in that pocket. And I picked this up for $3.99. I don't know if it's that price anymore, but I love the orange trim on the zipper. And then I just put a coloring book that my son was given at a birthday party. He does not like to color, so he donated that to me. And then I gave him some stickers that he could put on this construction paper notebook that I made for him. And I just used garden twine to tie it together. And then because of his safari coloring book, I gave him a giraffe Did You Know postcard. I have a few more Christmas themed shoe boxes in the next couple of weeks, as well as a pencil pack video. So thank you so much for giving me your time. I hope you all are doing well. Take care.